Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Ed with the Reef Corner. We are putting up a video of a Indian Ocean porcupine puffer. The patterns on these guys are a little different, a lot different. If you have any questions regarding this guy, 201-926-0536, call or text, or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. This guy is 6 inches long. And the sale of this fish does come with the Spectrum pellets I offer for free. 125 gram size container. And that is just a small way of saying thank you very much for your purchase. I really do appreciate it. So the Caribbean type does not have these round circles and the oval patterns on the top of the head. Woo, it's gonna get away from me. Oh, sugar. Not what I wanted. Not yet. He's darkening up a little bit because before he was kind of faded, spooked. We're gonna let you go soon. Soon enough. What a face. Alrighty folks, thank you very much for viewing. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. Again, 201-926-0536, call or text, or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. 6 inches, porcupine puffer, but this is the Indian Ocean variation. Let me go, I'm free. You're gone. Alrighty. Thank you.